Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm gonna go and show you guys how a chicken farm in India looks like and how they do the breeding and stuff like that. So yeah, this is basically the setup. You see all these hens here. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Nothing fancy, no chemicals, no bullshit, just organic. And just look at these bad boys. They look so happy. And yeah, you can actually see the smile on their faces, you know. So yeah, just look at them. Really nice. All right, so let's get inside and see what's happening inside there. All right, oh my God, look at all these bad boys. They look really amazing, you know. Look, I guess they're like at least like 200-300 chickens inside here, and no chemicals, no injections, nothing of that sort. It's just organic. So you guys do come to the countryside. Make sure that you visit places like this, so you'd get a real essence of how the chickens are bred. And just gonna show you something else. Wow, look at these eggs, look really amazing. And yeah, he's the one who's works in the farm, so say hi. All right, okay, that's his son. And how many years have they been doing this?
Close to say about 4 to 5 years.
4 to 5. Okay, they've been doing this for 4 to 5 years. So make sure that you guys, in case you guys come to the countryside, especially in Karnataka, make sure that you visit places like this, so that you know the difference between the factory bred chickens and these are actually the country chickens. So no chemicals, no nothing, right? So yeah, it's another view of the place. All right, so guys, that's it for the video, and hope you guys learned something out of this. Hope you got some inspiration, maybe to open a chicken farm or something in the future. So yeah, thanks so much. Make sure you guys like, subscribe and share. Bye. Peace. Alright, so this is another view of all the chickens. So that's the big guy there, right? And it's a pretty neat setup, nothing fancy. Just look at the ceiling. It's all handmade, made by hand, made by the family. So they don't hire any external workers or anything like that. They just do everything by themselves. And yeah, look at the chicks there. And wow, so inspiring to be here to see how families work together and do things like this. So yeah.